but only in Davao City na meron kaming joint effort with the Police Regional Office, 11 and PIDEA. Bakit? Dahil ibang-iba yung situation dito eh. Ibang-iba yung operating environment dito. We have a very, very supportive local government unit headed by a very good leader, the person of Mayor Duterte, who is very supportive sa ating law enforcement efforts dito. Napakaganda yung partnership ng different law enforcement agencies. Kaya maganda rin yung suporta ng ating korte, suporta ng ating prosecutor's office, which is something that is wanting in the other region. Halos hindi namin kayang pantayan yung nakukuha naming suporta rito. Hindi kayang pantayan. This is what I call one of the best practices in law enforcement. It is a whole of the PNP approach. At sana whole of the PNP approach with the support of the local government. And I hope na sana ganun din ang mangyari sa ibang regions. Ano? Can you just imagine 35 search warrants na madali mong makuha dito, madali mong makumbinsi yung korte. In the other regions, even the other cities, in Metro Manila alone, it will take 2 weeks to get the approval of the courts. Ganun katindi doon. Ang hirap. Unlike dito na, iba talaga dito eh. That's why I wish, all the cities are like Davao City.